What is chronic cough? Chronic cough is a persistent cough that lasts 8 weeks or longer, on some or most days. While cough is a symptom of many lung diseases as well as some non-lung conditions, chronic cough often lasts much longer than 8 weeks. The most common causes of chronic cough are postnasal drip, asthma, and acid reflux from the stomach. The symptoms include fever, especially if it's high or prolonged, copious sputum production, coughing up blood, shortness of breath, weakness, fatigue, loss of appetite, chest pain that is not caused by the cough itself, night sweats. For help and treatment, contact our homeopathic consultant. Come today, 670 Highway 7 East, Richmond Hill, Ontario. For more info, contact us or visit our website